Hello. This video is going to show you exactly how to use Canva to create a QR code. So the thing that you're going to do, especially if you're creating something like business cards, you can go to Canva and you can create a template. And let's do a business card. Let's do a portrait business card. And you can get an idea of just some of the templates that are here. So let's assume that you already created this business card. Let's go with this one, and we're going to customize this. So let's customize this template, and then you have the template, have your information here. So let's just say we want to send them to CB Nation. One of the things that you're going to be able to do is if you go through elements, you're just going to type in QR code. And automatically it's going to show you some photos of QR codes, but we actually want to go and use the app. So when you use the app for the first time, it's going to tell you to open it. When you open it, it's just going to ask you to create a URL. So let's just go to our CEO hack.co site. And we're going to create this URL. One of the things you can do is you can customize it. So you can increase the margins, you can change the background color, the foreground color, and you can use all of those different things depending on what you're going to and trying to achieve. So let's just say we want to keep this here. Let's just say we want to do a different color for the foreground color, or let's try some blue. The background color, we might want to make blue. And we'll just generate the code. Once we generate the code, it goes right there. And you can move this anywhere that you want. And if you take out your phone and you scan it, you'll be brought directly to where you want to be. So if you're doing anything like potentially a QR, like your business cards, and you want to add a QR code, or potentially even wanting to set up a flyer that has a QR code, you can do that directly within Canva. You don't have to create or have another app or anything like that. You can do that directly here in Canva. So it's a pretty cool way that you can leverage Canva to be able to create QR codes to send people to different places and different locations. Again, you really have to think about QR codes, especially being something that you can use on something that may be a little bit more tangible, or people might see, so that they can take some type of action on a different device. So for example, you don't necessarily want to do it if somebody's already on their phone, but they can use their phone to scan this to be brought to a different place. So maybe you have a welcome video, or maybe you have a certain specific discount that you have for your product or service. Either way, you want to create a little bit more interaction and just a different way for people to interact. So that's how you create a QR code using Canva.